Today we're doing an overview of the Carvey CNC router through the Nebraska Library Commission's Library Innovation Studios project. A CNC router, the name stands for computer numeric controlled, which simply means that a three-dimensional model is imported into computer software, which then translates that into the movements of a router cutting head, which allows the removal of wood or other material that you're processing using the machine. This machine has a fully enclosed sound dampening housing, which allows it to be used in public spaces without excessive noise. The cutter head attaches to a motorized housing which moves left and right in the x-axis, and the workpiece can move back and forth in the y-axis. The cutter can also move in the z-axis to remove material using a variety of rotational cutter bits that are included with the machine. We'll cover the cutter bits here a little bit later. The machine itself only has two controls. There's a power button on the right front, and then there's a toggle switch on the back in the left-hand side. It's important to ensure that router bits as well as workpieces are properly installed in the machine. Improperly installed bits or workpieces could shift during cutting, which could cause bits to break, which could be a safety hazard. All router bits are color-coded with the plastic collar and also have fine print text on the collar indicating their size and characteristics. We'll look into that a little bit more.